If TeamViewer Wake-on-LAN isn't working, you might not be able to remotely power on your computer when it's offline. Yeah, this usually happens because of network settings, BIOS configuration, or incorrect TeamViewer setup. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you several fixes that often solve the problem. First, make sure Wake-on-LAN is enabled in your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. If this option is disabled, the computer simply won't respond to remote wake signals. Next, verify the Wake-on-LAN settings in your network adapter. Windows must allow the network device to wake the computer from sleep or shutdown. Now open the TeamViewer settings and make sure Wake-on-LAN is properly configured. You'll need to choose either public address or TeamViewer ID within your network, depending on your setup. If you're waking the computer from outside your local network, your router may need port forwarding enabled. This allows the Wake-on-LAN packet to reach the sleeping computer. Another important tip: Wake-on-LAN works much more reliably over a wired Ethernet connection. Some wireless adapters don't support waking the computer from sleep. And finally, make sure your network drivers are updated. Outdated drivers can prevent Wake-on-LAN from working correctly. And that's it. Once Wake-on-LAN is properly configured, you should be able to power on your computer remotely using TeamViewer. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.